In the pouring rain, Leo, a shivering stray dog, roams lonely streets, while Mia, a quiet girl at school, feels invisible. Sometimes, rescue is a two-way street. Mia offers a simple sandwich, and as Leo hesitates, then devours it, a quiet bond begins to form. Day by day, Leo follows Mia home. She secretly shares food, and he faithfully waits at her window. But when Mia's parents say no dogs, Zrinya Leo disappears, leaving Mia searching the rain-soaked streets with a heavy heart. As Mia trips near a busy road and a car swerves, Leo leaps into action, pushing her to safety in a heroic, slow-motion moment. Now, healthy and joyful, Leo plays with Mia in a sunlit backyard, proving that family isn't always defined by blood,